Nika se loy. Acho me sefako. The girl reader. Menegbine. Ombani waba chonga. Wakasega. Duwa yuega. Hello viewers. Today we are going to teach Ga, learn Ga, and speak Ga. Join me. Menegbine. Ombani waba kase. Be yuemo. Ni wacho ye blofo me ake. Now. Allo. Kwamang be. Ni wale aka choye blofo me ake. Common noun. Wafe wale noni jigbe iwe moye. Eji iwe moye kumeni. Egbo. Alo ebaye wogbe ame. Ni. Wake nawe. The blofo me. We all know that a noun is a name of a person, animal, or place. So today we are going to learn about common nouns. There are certain nouns that are common in Ga that we need to know. If you are learning Ga, you need to know how to pronounce certain words in Ga. Ewonye ha ni wakasi a neke gbe iwe mo ne. Tenkle no. Binu. Binu. Son. Binu. Son. Biyo. Daughter. Biyo. Daughter. Nyemiyo. Nyemiyo. Sister. Nyemiyo. Sister. Nyeminu. Brother. Nyeminu. Brother. Che. Che. Father. Che. Father. Nye. Mother. Nye. Mother. Na. Grandmother. Na. Grandmother. Ni. Grandfather. Ni. Grandfather. Iyo yuake. Obanye oche neke. Gbe yue mo ene hu bodenche. Yaha wachano. Woo. Woo. Husband. Woo. Husband. Beke be children. Beke be children. Follow. Parents. Follow. Parents. Beke yo. Girl. Beke yo. Girl. Beke no. Boy. Beke no. Boy. Nabi. Grandchild. Nabi. Grandchild. Nanyo. Friend. Nanyo. Friend. Kenagbe no. Bo. Bo. Foreigner. Bo. Foreigner. I hope you have learned something today. Ihe you ake okase no komene. Ni beke be fe obaka he ni bode nche okase neke gbe yue mo ine yeshia. I hope you continue to practice these common nouns in Ga at home so that you can frequently speak the Ga with your family and friends. Nyaha wonya neke ngmele no. Wona afe ni beke be fe. Kemi keni kase mo hwe neke nkpa na no. Aba kaibu.